Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase your Snapchat score fast. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat. So once you've done that, you want to click on this plus button on the right side of your screen and click on multi-snap. And once you've done that, just go ahead and take your snap and then click send to, and now just go ahead and send that to all of your friends to increase your Snapchat score. Okay, and there is another way to do that. Just go ahead and go to your browser and then search for Snapchat users for streak. And then now, once you've done that, just go ahead and click on any of that. And then here, just go ahead and add these people to your Snapchat so you can now start with your streaks. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.